Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our Christmas story little 4x5 mini album. First, I want to show you the paper collection I used. I used this 6x6 paper pad. It's actually a really old one that I had for some time. And this is from Creative Imaginations. Now, you can use any paper you like when creating this book. However, I do have kits available. I have gone ahead and pre-cut all of the paper for you already. So the kit will come with little packets that tell you page 1, page 2, etc. Everything's cut. It's just score, tape, and glue on your part. There's full step-by-step instructions printed out for you, full color, as well as video tutorials on the assembly of this book. The links will be below where you can pick that up in my Etsy shop. Once those kits are gone, they are gone. Okay, so first I use some Prima flowers here on the front. These are just gorgeous. I also have some lace. These are all in the kit as well. Here's a look at the back. Now you can see that lace real good there. And let's open it up. Oh, it says right here, our Christmas story. This was cut on a cutting machine. You'll have to glue these letters together. I like to use the Designer Dries Clear Liquid Glue. It is as a whole word, not letters. So our is one word, Christmas one, so it's connected. It's not too hard to glue together. And this says, may your Christmas be bright and happy. Okay, so each page is constructed the same. There are 5 pages. We have 5 hinges in here. And then we've got 2 angled pockets on the inside front. Now in your kit, you will receive all this white cardstock, but not where the photo is. So like this one, for my sample, I just put a little bit of glue in the back center, but when I go to glue on my photos, I'm going to carefully just kind of tear this off and then replace it with a photo. I like to do that so you get a visual of what it would look like with pictures, with it being matted, as well as feeling the thickness of it to make sure that the book doesn't come out like alligator mouth like that. So by adding all of those placeholders for photos, I know that the spine is done correctly. It also makes for a nice gift to give to someone, and it says photo here. And these actually are stickers that I make. I sell the digital version of these in my shop, and then you just have to purchase the labels and pop them in your printer and hit print, and you can create these as well. And I ink the edges of my photo placement only because I want you to be able to see, because it's white cardstock with a white mat. Normally I use a black base cardstock, and so I don't ink the edges of the white, but I wanted to be able to see that definition, or the difference. So each page has a photo mat glued to this flap, and then we have a photo under here. Now you could have the photo go all the way across. I'd like to leave, I did it this way just because I wanted to be able to see some of that pretty paper, and then you can go in and add embellishments if you like, or use this place for journaling. Also in your kit, if you pick up one of these kits, you're going to receive all of the leftover scraps that I did not use, including, there's a sheet in here, and I think there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you actually get 3 of these little guys, and these are really cute. So you're going to get the 3 full sheets of these, and you can cut them out, and if you wanted to add them here on the pages as well, you could. You could even fussy cut around the little girl or the angel. That would be beautiful as well. So let's go on. I'll just kind of quickly go through so you can see, like I said, each page is done the same, just with the different decorative papers. There's a 3x4 insert on here. I'll give you a couple of photos there. So it comes together fairly quickly, especially with the kit because everything is cut for you. And then the back has a nice little waterfall. Now you can add larger photos. You don't have to add these tiny little photos. Now in your kit you will receive the small photo mats. However, if you don't want to put those on and you just want to put a photo there, you could even not put the decorative paper and just add photos. You can do that also. Just depends the look you're going for. I like to be able to see the pretty paper as well, so I chose to just do smaller photos on this one. You'll also receive these pretty strips that you can go ahead and glue down in your book. I did ink the edges all of the decorative papers, and that's an option. You don't have to do that. So that's it. That's my book. Please check the link below for your options of picking up this beautiful kit. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.